I'm John Maxwell. Welcome to Heart of the Home. We're here in Doswell, Virginia at Meadow Hall, where every week we get a chance to play with some great Virginia food. Today we're taking advantage of the season and we're making something with pumpkins that you might not have had before. We're making a pumpkin pudding. This is a great dish. It's served cold, but we need to cook it to make it happen. The first thing I'm going to do is take this pan, put it over here on a burner, and get it a little warm. All right, because I'm going to toast off the sugar. Now, I'm really not going to brown it. I just want to get it warm enough so it goes into solution with the hot milk quickly. While that's warming up, I've got an egg here in this bowl. I'm going to whisk that. I want to get the egg really whisked up. And I'm going to add some milk. We're making a custard pudding, so this is eggs and milk are the basis for the custard. All right, so I'm going to add all of this to it. All right. And I'm going to add some salt. And I'm going to add some cinnamon. And I'm going to add some nutmeg. And I'm going to stir that around. All right. Now, this is getting warm. And I'm going to add the sugar and the cornstarch. I'm going to warm up the cornstarch and sugar just a little bit. This will help it go in a solution without making lumps. All right, I'm going in here. This is warm. I don't want it to start smoking too much. It can get a little wisps of smoke, but we don't want it to brown off. I don't want it to, I'm just trying to heat this up so that we can get the sugar to accept the liquid quickly. All right, so I've got the liquid. This is the milk, eggs, sugar and cinnamon, or cinnamon and nutmeg. And that's going to go in there. And I'm going to stir this continuously for a couple of minutes. We don't want to heat it too quickly because it'll curdle, cause lumps. We don't have to stir it constantly, but you have to stir it often. Okay, it's starting to thicken up. It's been a couple of minutes. I'm going to pull it off the heat now. I'm going to put it back on, but I'm going to lower this heat. All right, so it's very low, down to low. Give it a chance to cool off a little bit. And I'm going to add the pumpkin. And get this all mixed in there good. There we are. Now the pumpkin that I'm using is fresh pumpkin that I cooked and pureed, but you can use canned pumpkin on this if you want. But always make sure you check and see whether it's made in Virginia. All right, this is pumpkin pudding. And make sure the bowls you use have got some resistance to heat. They don't have to be heat resistant, but that they're just not too fragile, because this is hot, it's going in, right? And I don't want it to crack the glass. It's not going to crack the glass most of the time. I'm going to put these in the refrigerator, let them chill down nice before I serve them. All right, these have had a chance to chill down, and I'm going to go ahead and put some whipped cream on the top of them. Just want a little dollop on top of each. So I'm just going to scrape them off here. Just for a little cream, just to give it a little texture and a little contrast on the top. So there we go. It's a pumpkin pudding, all ready to eat. Delightful. Join us next week on Heart of the Home, where we get a chance to play with some great Virginia food.
Recipes from the heart of the home can be found on the Virginia Farm Bureau website at vafb.com, as well as on Chef Maxwell's website at chefjohnmaxwell.com.